Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Bagsmart makeup bag. And so I do want to thank Bagsmart for actually gifting this to me. And so I particularly thought this was good for my wife who on travel trips needs a makeup bag. And we didn't want anything so complex, but we did want something that's kind of rugged, okay? Because we tend to do or go on camping trips a lot. She kind of wanted something that could hold her makeup, but at the same time, not be something in which she doesn't mind getting dirty. So this makeup bag, this is what the outside looks like. Here we have the actual handle. Now, essentially how it opens up is that you've got this zipper system here, and then it opens up wide enough to actually go ahead and reach out and also expand out so that it flattens out just like this. And so you can see that it has a zipper component on the side here, which is transparent. You also have another zipper component side in the middle that acts as a divider. This right here, I do appreciate the flat laying down surface of both sides. And then you have some open pockets right here as well. But that's pretty much it though. Once you zipper it up, it closes up just like that. And there you have it. But I've had no problems with this whatsoever.